Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from DPClubs. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to DPClubs. So let's do this one. Let's see. So ordinary toolkit, except there's some baggies. And these are special shapes, and these are supposed to be keychains. So these are Christmas keychains. They're supposed to be 8 pieces according to so here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there are 8 pieces. So here's a candy cane. It is only one-sided. So candy cane. It's a bow, a stocking, ooh, penguin, cute little penguin. I don't know why I like the penguins. And I usually like the penguins, the polar bears, and the snowmen. I don't know why. It looks like some bells here, a hat, Santa, and a snowman, but it has feet. And it does come with all the what do you call these? Keychain stuff, although I might just use these as ornaments. So I'm going to put all of this keychain stuff back into here because I can see myself losing said keychain stuff. So, and then I'm going to put these here in here. So let's open the drills here. So it does look like special shapes. And I mean, special drills. So regular rhinestones is here, the ordinary Christmas colors, and there are a couple specials. So some round ones and more. They're just kind of a mixture of round drills, specials. So I will finish this for the end of the video. I hope. Because I should put it up on my tree, right? So just putting that aside here. And then the next one. Let's do this one that's in the box. So the box got to me kind of in bad shape. I'm just hoping it's not broken, because I don't really care what the box looks like as long as it's not broken. And it looks great. You know what? I think when originally they started doing these kinds of off the canvas items, they were more fragile, and I think they've learned their lesson, and now the plastic they use is less shattery. I'm thinking I probably wouldn't even be able to break this. So these are special shapes also, and it has an ordinary toolkit, except it has some baggies. So it looks like this is double-sided, so this will take actually much longer than normal. But I do like that it is double-sided. A lot of these were single-sided before. So let me take this out. So it does look like there's some chains here, but I think that's to hang this. This is the sun and moon, and then this is supposed to hang onto here with, I'm guessing, those pieces here. And then it does have a base, and it has 2 bases, but I have recently been working on something similar to this, and I think the reason it has 2 bases is because when this thing gets put into here, it actually juts down much farther, so you actually need both of them for the base. And I don't know if they I do know this base is sticky also, so I'm thinking they might want you to stick the 2 together if you wanted to. But yeah, no, that's why there's 2 bases. So yeah, here's the really, really fancy looking football, which is the base of the diamond painting here. So looks like a really nice drill field here. Here is the sun. This is very like mandala-y to me. That's why I liked it. And then it is double-sided, so both of the sides do get diamond painted. It looks like the plastic here is a little dusty, but as long as it's sticky, I don't care. And then here's the moon, and this is also double-sided, which is nice. So it should look like that. And then with the base. Let me see, let me pull it up. So this is $16.79 on the site, and it is about a 28 centimeters, a little bit more than 28 centimeters by 29 centimeters. And then it has the base. So let's see. It does look like it has, I see a 12, I see a 14, ooh, I see a 15, so maybe there's that many colors. So yeah, I see 15. So there is no DMC codes or a crystal code. So it looks like this is the blue Domi AB. Send some rhinestones here. I like that color, it's beautiful. And more rhinestones, and then here's the beginning of the special, so some marquees, more marquees, some teardrops, some AB teardrops, and then some domey shapes, and this looks like an AB dome, and then some AB teardrops. So yeah, I think this one will turn out beautiful. It kind of, this will take a while though, with it being double-sided. This is actually a lot of drills. So, so let me put that aside here. I hope I don't lose these chains here. I think I'm gonna put this, I'll fix it later. So let's move that aside. Let's move these aside. Let's move this aside because there's more diamond paintings. So, did I say that the sun and moon was $16.79? Probably. So this next diamond painting is, so ordinary toolkit. These are also specials. And ta-da! I apparently have some. So this is another paper quilling inspired diamond painting. This is $6.39 on the site, and it is a 25 by 34.5, and it looks like there's only 8 colors, and there is a rhinestone code here. It looks like the typical very clear drill field here. And let's see. Why is it so hard to open? So it looks like some rhinestones here. Ooh, this one is a really pretty color. I really like that one. So is that all the rhinestones? So this one looks like it'll be really quick with just 2 colors that are rhinestone, and everything else are bigger. So some domey shape ones, more, and then some marquees and some teardrops. So yeah, I think this one will be really quick, and I think I will be able to finish this before the end of the video, hopefully. Yes, right. So move that to the side here. And did I say that one was $6.39? Probably. So next diamond painting. So this one's actually a square. So nicer toolkit, does have the white boat, lots of wax, and then some multi-placers, a squishy, and some tweezers. Like I said, these are square drills, And here it is. It's a gnome, and it says ho ho ho. So I was happy to find a square with this manufacturer that was a smaller size. So this one is supposed to be a 30 by 40. It's $11.39 on the site. It is a 30, it's almost 39 by 29 and a half. So a little bit less than a 30 by 40, but this is what you pretty much would call real 30 by 40 and not canvas size. So there are 35 colors in this. You would think that there weren't not that many colors, but yep, 35 colors in this. I'm not complaining about lots of colors. I like lots of colors. It does look like a mixture of symbols and letters here. Drill field, I think looks decent. I don't think I'll have any problems with this. So yeah, it's a gnome that says ho ho ho. Maybe you want to see the more real picture there. And these are square drills. I am not going to be taking these out of the container here. But yeah, I haven't had any issues with this manufacturer, so except for some stick. Let's see. No, the stick looks good. That was very, very sticky and very... yeah, no, the glue looks well placed, so happy with that. So, did I say this was $11.39? I probably did. Well, I just said it now. So, in case... that's the last one, yeah. That's the last one I'm unboxing for this video, so in case you don't remember everything I got. So, here's the gnome that says ho ho ho. Here is the flower paper quilling. Here is the sun and moon picture there. And where is it? Oh, they're hiding. Oh, here it is. I have so much, like, my unboxings, I have so much stuff around me. And here are all the ornaments. So I will finish the ornaments. That will be my commitment. Oh, I realize I can move you this way. I will finish the ornaments. I'm gonna also attempt to finish this one for the end of the video. But I do think I might be kind of busy at this time of the year, so if I don't finish it, well, if I finish it, it will be put right here. If not, thank you to DPClubs for sending these items for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye! So I'm back, and the keychains are done. I haven't put the chains on because I do need to seal them, I guess, before I put the chains, but I haven't done it yet. But yeah, here they are done. Here is the penguin. The penguin's really, really cute. The only thing is they're not double-sided, so only one side is diamond painted. But yeah, the penguin. Here is a Santa. They're just really cute. Here's this bell here. I don't know, the ribbon. I was gonna call it a bow. Maybe it's a bow. The stocking here. Here is the snowman with feet. Here's the beanie. The beanie's really cute too. I don't know. And the candy cane. The only thing with the candy cane, it does seem like it's the most fragile because it's just thinner, like, than the other ones. But I don't know. It could be fine, right? I could try to break it, but then, you know, would that make entertaining YouTube? So what did I write on this? So there were 13 colors in this, 10 were crystal rhinestones, and 3 were specials. This took me 1 day to complete. I actually did time myself, and this took me 1 hour and 22 minutes to complete. That actually seems a lot longer than I would think. Oh well. I didn't have any comments. I don't know. I mean, other than, yep, there's the guide circles and you could see them, but like, I see that all the time, and all of my, pretty much my special shaped ones that I don't know if I keep wanting even to bother writing it. But yeah, so there are 8. So there is those ones. And then I also did complete, let me move that to the side. I did also complete this one here. This one is absolutely beautiful. I really like this color here. It's not green, it's more of a teal turquoisey color. So that was surprising, but a good surprise because I do like those colors. And then I really do like using the marquees for the leaves. They just look really, really awesome. And the flowers look decent. Not anything special, but I just really like the color of these tendrils, I guess, the swirls from the leaves. I do kind of, when I was doing this, I was actually thinking of finding, like, getting one of the gold domi drills and putting them on this picture, on this portion here, and I could still do it. I have some gold domi drills. Do I have some gold domi drills near me? No, not enough. I'm sure I have gold domi ones that I could put in there. I was thought of doing it, but I just didn't. I don't know. So let's see. There were 8 colors in this, 2 were crystal rhinestones and 6 specials. So there was very few like colors of the rhinestones, and everything else was specials. This took me 1 day to complete. This took me 1 hour and 15 minutes. Because I've been trying to type, like, I don't know how to write apparently, and I kept crossing it out. So it took me 1 hour and 15 minutes, which is funny is the keychains actually took me a little bit longer to do than this one. Yeah, maybe I could see the keychains had way more colors. 13 colors as opposed to this one with 8. Yeah. So let's see. What did I write? Had to nail clip F. Which one is F? Let's see. F. You know, when you do so many of these, which is why I write down the comments, you don't remember everything. Oh yeah, F were these drills here. I did have to trim them. I think I actually trimmed them all, and then I use them so you don't see it, but they do tend to have the tabs in the edge. But yeah, you just get a nail clipping, and they were also too big for, the symbol was also too big. Oh yeah, now I see it. The symbol, okay, so the symbol for these were actually, like the edge of it was just a little bit too big because these ones were more rounded at the edge, and then the symbol was more like flat on the edge. I don't know if, like, here, do you see the symbol is like flat on the edge, so it was just a little bit wider. It's not teardrop shaped, while these are teardrops. And I added some drills to empty spaces. So I think it must have been these blues. I wouldn't be surprised the blues I added a little bit more because like they weren't in all of the sections, and I added more blue. And then I think I added a couple more of these pinks because they weren't in all the sections, and I kind of wanted to make them symmetrical. But I had extra to do it, so yeah, other than that, I think I didn't have any problems, and this one is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, you'll probably still see more of these flower diamond painting, quilling projects, you know, as long as they keep coming out with new ones, I might keep getting them. So yeah, here is this one here, and then here are the keychains. Let me make it all visible here. Here are the keychains. So thank you to DPClubs for sending these items for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!